prop push. Or vehicle prop push. Sorry's not gonna cut that. That was purpose.
Sorry, now you want to prop push you.
Go towards the place.
Doesn't matter, you.
I can land
Go towards the bridge. Are you guys
Which
even...
one?
I can lag the server. If you want me to do it, like, I'm just gonna do it.
Okay.
You do it, you know that's gonna get you banned, right?
Fuck you then.
What?
You never gonna ban me.
I know, but I'm recording it, and it's already, you've done,
It's on
what's
YouTube,
the word I'm
okay.
looking for?
Wait.
What's the word I'm looking for?
Twitch.
You done fucked yourself because they caught what you just said too, so.
Yep.
Twitch.
And I can just send it to Jack.
Yeah, I know, whatever.
Ooh.
I'm not scared at all, because I got banned for no reason a lot of time for this.
Savage.
Threatening to lag the server, that's a reason to ban.
Savage.
Yeah,
Savage.
yeah, don't like
Savage.
service, man.
You really piss me off right now.
You... Who's Savage?
Yeah, I don't like when people like servers, because then it gets obnoxious.
Me too.
My goodness. Hey, hey. Do you wanna... Hey.
Can I play this? Oh, damn.
Spawn it in the corner. Spawn it in the corner.
Is it
Like, place it in the corner.
is it a bumper car?
Yeah, it's bumper cars. Whoever's truck falls off...
I have to spawn my car. Need a spawn a pro.
I'm ready.
Go around.
Why is this? Get over here.
What do you do?
Fuck this.
I might get a different truck because that one's too loud.
All the truck is very loud. What do you mean?
No, I mean like the one that's... I'm going to use it. Okay. Let me get in. Okay. On your marks.
I'm making legit a billboard on a car right now. It's funny. Really? I feel
We're having
sorry.
the truck battle. Yeet.
Oh my god, this is, you should see what I'm doing right now. Oh, yeah.
Not as
Get
entertaining
out
as
of
I
the
thought
way
it
of
would
the
be.
truck battle. Yes. Yes, no. The ultimate truck battle. Whew. Whoop. Oh! No.
Why? Fucking. Yeah.
I'm still surviving, and I fell off. No, you have to hit me one more time. Oh!
I made it and winner. Shut the fuck up.
You wanna play? Just play again. You want me to put
Excuse me.
obstacles?
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Yes.
Put obstacles?
Yes. Excuse me,
You're
sir,
gonna
this
put.
is my
It's not
truck.
really a truck battle if there's
Jackhammer's here.
You need to make your own
Where
truck
is
like
everyone?
that, see?
They're like over there.
Ow.
But I don't feel like it. Oh, Jack, he's back.
Woof!
Jack. What up,
Jack.
Peter Nugget?
Yay.
Jack, we missed you.
To show you.
Are you sure that truck can make it?
Hold on, let me fix my vehicle.
You don't really need freaking people. I didn't do anything. Why are you talking?
Something in
That's a
front of it.
monster tornado.
I'm sorry. What happened when I was
It's not a
gone?
tornado, it's a tomato.
Video, huh?
Toxic. Go ahead and upload that to
Who
report
lagged
a
the
minge and I'll
server?
look at it.
Nick.
Really bad lag.
Yo, someone lagged the server.
I didn't like.
No, no one
didn't
lagged
do
it.
No, because
Someone
No
threatened
lag
to lag the server.
Oh.
Toxic, you can just upload it on YouTube and send me the link. They didn't lag the
Why you wanna
server, they
upload it?
threatened to lag the server.
Yeah,
Why you wanna upload YouTube?